Great. Let's explore each layer of the Earth in more detail, both chemically and mechanically, with a focus on composition, behavior, and importance. Earth's structure. Crust part of the lithosphere. Depth, 0 to 70 kilometers. State, solid. Composition, continental crust, granite rich in silica and aluminum, Sial. Oceanic crust, basalt rich in silica and magnesium, Shima. Density. Continental, 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter. Oceanic, 3.0 grams per cubic centimeter. Significance. Hosts all life. Contains soil, water, minerals broken into tectonic plates. Mantle. Upper and lower mantle. Upper mantle. Depth, 70 to 700 kilometers. Includes lithosphere rigid and asthenosphere ductile. Composition, silicate rocks rich in iron and magnesium like olivine and pyroxene. Asthenosphere, soft, partially molten region below lithosphere. Convection currents here drive plate tectonics. Lower mantle. Mesosphere. Depth, 700 to 2,900 kilometers. State, solid but flows slowly over geological timescales. High pressure, makes materials more rigid. Continues to transfer heat from the core outward. Core. Outer core. Depth, 2,900 to 5,100 kilometers. State, liquid. Composition, mostly molten iron and nickel, with lighter elements possibly sulfur and oxygen. Important. Generates Earth's magnetic field via the dynamo effect. Flowing metals produce electric currents. Inner core. Depth, 5,100 to 6,371 kilometers. Center of Earth. State, solid due to enormous pressure, despite extreme heat. Composition, mostly iron and nickel. Temperature, estimated up to 5,700 degrees Celsius, same as the Sun's surface. Interesting fact, the inner core is slowly growing as the outer core solidifies over time. Earth's dynamic interactions. Plate tectonics. Driven by mantle convection, plates interact at boundaries. Divergent, moving apart, for example, mid-ocean ridges. Convergent, colliding, for example, Himalayas. Transform, sliding past, for example, San Andreas Fault. Seismic waves. Travel differently through layers. P waves, travel through solids and liquids. S waves, only travel through solids. Help scientists infer Earth's internal structure. Summary. Layer depth. Km. State. Composition. Function. Feature. Crust 0 to 70 solid granite/basalt. Outer shell, life exists here. Lithosphere 0 to 100 rigid crust plus uppermost mantle tectonic plates. Asthenosphere 100 to 700 plastic silicate rocks. Plate movement via convection. Lower mantle 700 to 2,900 solid magnesium silicates transfers heat from core to surface. Outer core 2,900 to 5,100 liquid iron plus nickel creates magnetic field. Inner core 5,100 to 6,371 solid iron plus nickel very hot, under extreme pressure.